am going to review Bruce R5. Hello! I'm back. So, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, ngayon lang ako nabakante ulit to make a video and to vlog something. So, for this video, we are going... Actually, nung November ko pa siya nakuha. But then, since maraming ang nangyari sa amin within this past few months, so ngayon ko lang siya ma-review. And, ginamit ko talaga muna siya for like 1 to 2 months para magamay ko and ma-compare ko siya between R2. The way I'm wearing a Bruce t-shirt, this is sponsored by Bruce from Unix Industrial Corporation. So, Sir Ken, thank you for sending me 2 t-shirts, 2 Bruce t-shirts. Yan. So, gawang Bruce to, ayan. They use Bruce sewing machine to produce this t-shirt. So, thank you, Sir Ken. I got this machine from Unix Industrial Corporation. They are the distributor of Bruce sewing machine here in the Philippines. So I got this for around 31,000 shipping fee, tsaka yung bayad dun sa technician is included na dun sa 31,000. Then I got this last November 17 nila na i-deliver dito sa akin. And then almost 2 months ko na siya ginagamit, so kayang-kaya ko na siyang i-review. Ang difference niya, by the way, R5 is the top of the line for the Bruce sewing machine. Ang difference niya from R2 is meron na siyang automatic threader, meron na din siyang auto presser foot lifter, which is wala doon kay R2. So later, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung auto pressure foot lifter, which is actually dun ako nahirapan kasi nasanay ako kay R2 na meron siyang knee pedal yung ginagamit para to lift the foot. So si R5 is wala na, naka-automatic siya. So later din papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ginagamit yung function ng mga automatic features niya. So start na tayo. Isa-isahin ko muna yung mga parts niya. And siguro if you watch my video with the R2, same lang din yung parts niya mainly. May mga nadagdag lang na features do kay R5. So, ayun, if you want to watch my previous video for R2, my review on R2, yan, the link is over here. So, you can watch it. And then, para matakal ko na lang yung mga added features na lang ni R5. Kasi, same lang sila. Same sila automatic, same sila computerized. Ayun, so let's start! So the same with R2, R5 also has a lever for backstitching, as well as dito yung push button. And so they both function in the same way. And then this is the stitch length dial. So and one tip for this one, para hindi matigas, kasi yung first time ko matigas siya, so sabi ni technician, tinuruan niya ako kung paano siya ikutin ng walang kahirap-hirap. And so you have to pull it down a bit, and then yun, para ma-release siya. Yun yung one tip for you. Kapag ganyan kasi parang nakalock siya, so you have to pull the back stitching lever slightly, so that ayun, smooth yung pag-ikot ng stitch length dial niya. Same with R2. Pipilasin ko din to. Oh, so satisfying. And so binyag na siya. Meron siyang plastic. So yun. Anyway, ayan, ito yung so here is the monitor. Ayan lahat ng features niya, yung mga automatic features niya. Ayan. Same with R2, R5, 5,000 din yung maximum na stitch, ano ba, yung speed ng stitches niya. Ayan, so ito lang pipindutin nyo. Ayan, 5,000. And then as time goes by, nung ginagamit ko si R5, na-discover ko kung paano gamitin yung iba't ibang automatic features niya. Like this one, for instance. Ayan. This one is for the backstitching, automatic backstitching. So, pag inon mo siya, ibig sabihin, yung unang first stitches, unang 3 stitches niya is magba-backstitch siya. So, that's the meaning of that one. Kung gusto nyo pa siyang dagdagan, you can easily adjust it using the arrow. And then, you can easily adjust it to the number of stitches that you want. But, ako okay na ako sa 3 stitches. Ayan. So, pwede nyo siyang doblehin. Just have to press this. Ayan, madodoble siya. You can see this one. Pwede nyo din siyang alisin if you want it to be manual. Same goes with this one. Yun, ito siya. Ayan. If you press this one, yung back stitch, yung sa end of your stitch, it will automatically backstitch. The machine will automatically backstitch for you. So I put it in number 5. That's based on my experience, I think this number is yung stitch niya, yung number of stitch niya, yung running stitch niya. So I put it to 5. Pero the standard one is 3, but I'm using a 5. So yun, kung gusto nyong manual din siya, pwede nyong alisin. Ayan. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sample ng tahi using the automatic backstitching option niya. And then, this one, ayan. This one also, yung automatic cutter niya. Yan. Lalang press nyo lang siya. If gusto nyo, at the end of your stitching, magkakat yung, meron siyang automatic thread cutter. Pero if you don't want, like, pag gumagawa kayo ng mga gathering stitches, that needs to have a longer stitch on the end, or kung kailangan nyo magkaroon ng mga tail end, so you can easily remove this feature by long press nyo lang siya. So ayan siya. And then yun, so far yun pa lang yung mga nagagamit ko na features niya. Ayun. Ay. Hindi ko na siya mabalik. So, halimbawa niya, so, halimbawa yan, hindi ko na siya naibalik. You can just easily reset this one. Yan. Long press nyo lang. Then, babalik siya sa dati. Ayan. So, yun lang siya. Later, I will show you kung paano ginagamit ito. And then, ito. Now, I will show you yung mga automatic features niya. Subukan natin magdahi. So, set natin yung dial niya. Alisin muna natin to. Mag-manual muna tayo. Ayan. So, walang nakasulat. So, subukan natin magdahi. Yung feature niya, yung kaibahan niya kay R2 is dito, to lift the pressure foot, you just have to use the foot pedal over there. Ayan. 1. So, pag nag-start kayo magtahi, just have to put your foot backward and then like that. So, naka-manual tayo. So, dire-diretso lang yung tahi niya. Yan. And then, pag gusto nyong i-cut yung thread, just have to push it downwards. Like that. Then, try natin yung may auto backstitch. Ayan. On natin yung may sa front and then yung sa ending ng stitch natin. And let's try. Diba? Nag-automatic backstitch siya. Then at the end, yan. Automatic backstitch. And then, nag-automatic din siyang backstitch dun sa start ng stitch mo. Kaya ako siya dinadagdagan. Kaya ako siya ginagawang 5 para mahaba-haba yung iba backstitch niya. Then, ngayon, try nating doblehin this one and this one. So, press mo lang. Ayan, magdadagdag siya. Press mo lang this one. Ayan, magdadagdag siya. Yung dalawa siya. Ayan. So, try natin yan. Ayan. So, great for tacking. Actually, yung back ano niya is for tacking. Yun yung ginagamit ng mga tacker. So, i-increase mo lang yung ano niya, yung stitch length niya. Yun. Yun yung isang feature na nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Okay. Yung feature niya. So, this one, ito yung wala kay R5. So, automatic na kasi siya. So, hindi nyo na kailangan ito. Parang foot lifter na gamit yung tuhod. Kay R5, wala na siya. Wala siya. So, talagang dito ka lang magko-control ng para sa foot. And then, another cool feature of this R5 machine is meron siyang USB outlet. So, pwedeng ano siya, pwede siyang gawin like charging. Ako, madalas, ginagawa ko siyang charging port ng cellphone ko. Or, ayan, charge ko yung cellphone. Yan. So, yun ang madalas kong pinagagamitan sa kanya. Ayan. So, dyan ko siya sinacharge. Or yung mga USB lamp, yan. Diyan ko din siya sinacharge. Diyan ko siya sinasaksak. So, very helpful. Never mind this one. Ayan. And then, one thing that I like about R5 is yung manual niya is, pwede mong iscan to, then the manual will show up online. Yun, nasa online yung ano niya. Yung manual niya, just have to scan this one, the QR code, and then you can get the manual online. So overall, I am satisfied with Bruce R5 when it comes to its automatic features and added features. But comparing it with R2, siguro if yung budget mo is really like 20,000 and below, R2 is one great choice. Pero kung medyo kaya naman ng budget, CR5 na ako ninyo. Because of its automatic features, kung plan nyo na gumawa ng, kung plan nyo mag-expand, Bruce R5 is one to be considered for your machine. Yung efficiency niya, and then yung mga added features niya, it's really worth the price. So if you like my video on the review of R5, please don't forget to like and share. And also, please subscribe to my channel for more do DIY crafts and sewing tutorials. So see you on my next video. Bye! Thank you!